In this lesson, we'll learn how to use an IR remote controller to control the on and off of LEDs. First, let's do the wire connection according to the connection diagram. Plug the IR receiver to the breadboard. Vout pin connect to D11. GND connect to the GND row of the breadboard. VCC to 5 volts. Next, plug 6 LEDs to the breadboard. Each negative end connects to a 220 ohm resistor. The other end of the resistor connects to the GND row. Lead out mainboard GND. Connect the positive ends of LEDs to D7 to D2 one by one. After wire connection is done, let's upload the test program to the board. First, connect Arduino to computer with a USB cable. First, let's take a look at the codes from the supporting file. The first line says include irremote.h, so we need to place this file under the directory libraries of Arduino. You can see here we already placed the file into this directory. Now open Arduino IDE. Select the board and COM port, then directly copy the program. The pin definition in the program is according to the circuit connection. Paste the program here. Click Verify to check compiling mistakes. If codes are correct, click Upload to upload the program to the board. After uploading is done, we can use the remote controller to control the on and off of each LED. Every 2 keys on the controller corresponds to 1 LED. Controlling is on and off. Test is now complete. Thank you.